So if we're changing chords though, the main thing, other than getting the notes ringing out, is making sure that you're landing on time. Let's face it, if you're practicing a chord change and you're doing this, well, that's great at the very beginning, but you need to push past that very quickly, or else it's never going to sound like a song. Because what does a song have? Song has rhythm, song has beats, song has places in time where you have to do something specific. So with the chord changes, you have to push so that you're trying to get your fingers at a certain place at a certain time. And how do we do that? Dun, 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 with our best friend, the metronome. A metronome is a device. Now you can get an app on the phone for this too. This has to be a nice little physical one. Holding it back here because it's kind of loud for the microphone. Makes a click, and you can adjust the speed of that click. So as you do your chord changes, I'm going to be using E minor to D major. I'm going to put this very slow, around 66. You're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. You're going to see if you can, every 4 beats, change the chord. It's going to sound like, taking your time, taking your time. And I'm kind of doing that for fun because at first, you know, it may take you a second to get all those fingers down. So the goal is to be able to let it ring, you know, and then at the very last second move like that. But that's not going to happen right away. So you can strum 2, 3, 4, and take that time to get there, as long as you do something on that beat where you strum. And it may not even be perfect, but the fact that you're pushing yourself to be at a certain place at a certain time is going to make you panic a little bit, and we want that. It's going to force your fingers to move into those positions faster.